Hi everybody, I am Laura. This is my first video for Candid Co. I'm not affiliated with Candid Co in any way, I'm just a normal consumer. So everything that I say in these videos is my honest opinion. I am not sponsored, I'm not being compensated in any way, but so excited today. I am getting my treatment going. I believe that I have 8 months or 15 steps. We'll find out. A little bit about me. I am 46 years old. I am almost 47. I am a second-time braces or aligners user. My first round with traditional braces was back in the early middle 80s. I was 12 years old. I got my braces on. I wore them until I was almost 15, so about 2.5 years of standard metal braces. I had no headgear. I did have some really crazy teeth though. I had 11 teeth removed when I was 11 to prepare me for my braces. So I had a wonderful, wonderful orthodontist. He was fantastic. My parents were very kind and paid for my whole treatment. I was really lucky I got my braces off right before I was finished with 9th grade. So, fast forward from 14 years old to 46 years old. I have actually been looking at aligners for probably the last 5 or 6 years. And my dentist, she actually sells Invisalign. But one thing that happened was when I had all of those teeth removed, 11 teeth removed, I didn't have my wisdom teeth removed. Obviously when you're 11, they're not in yet, but I never had them removed afterwards. So all of my orthodontia, my orthodontic work was done with the wisdom teeth in. So she says, I'm not going to even consider you as a candidate for Invisalign until you have your wisdom teeth removed. And I thought, oh gosh, I don't want to miss work. I don't want to have any major surgery or have any recovery time with the wisdom teeth removal in my 40s. So I went ahead and just kind of shelved the idea. And then I started to see the advertisements for Candid Co, and I thought, okay, all right, I will go ahead and give this a try. So I had half off of my of the starter kit. So I ordered that. And I went ahead and received those on April 4th. I received the impressions, I'm sorry, on April 4th. The impressions were, for me, absolutely traumatic because I have a really, really, really horrible on my maxilla, my top teeth. For some reason, anything squishing up against the roof of my mouth apparently makes me gag. So you have to put the aligners, the top ones, in your mouth for 3.5 minutes. So I'm really glad that I did not film that because it was, I mean, yeah, it was an experience. So, I mean, it wasn't bad. I didn't vomit or anything like that, but it was just a lot of gagging. But what I wasn't prepared for was the drool. So I drooled just a lot during that 3.5 minutes, and yeah, I had to stand in my shower, really. Bottom one's perfect, no problem. So the good news was that when I did send them in, they were approved. They received them within 4 days. They received them on April 8th, and then by May 2nd, so it was a little less than a month, I had my treatment plan approved by my orthodontist. So it was really cool to see the different plans, the different steps in my plan. So what I had to do was I had to approve the plan. Then, and I apologize, I have a puppy who's playing with his toys. So if you are hearing any thunking or growling, that's him. Anyway, I went ahead and approved the plan, and then I had to sign up for the payments. I did go with Affirm, which is at this point, as of May, June, the only option you have for financing your aligners. So I went ahead and went with that, approved right away, and apparently I'm going to be billed once a month. I went with the lowest plan payment per month, and the reason why I did that was because in case I get a bonus from work or an extra travel check or something, I can go ahead and put that into my firm, my payments. So anyway, so that was May 3rd. So it took them exactly 1 month to manufacture my aligners and also ship them to me. So we were supposed to be getting an email stating that my aligners were coming, and I never got the email. It hasn't come yet. It might come while I'm making this video. But I happened to open up my front door today, and surprise, here's the box. I want to show you what my top and bottom mouth look like according to my treatment plan, what my aligners gave. So the reason why I'm doing that instead of like showing you my teeth is because this is the first time I'm filming with this camera, and I have no idea if that's gonna work. This is what my top teeth look like. And this is what my bottom teeth look like. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to open this. So excited. So excited. Hopefully I will not be cutting myself, as I am prone to do. One of the things that I'm really looking forward to is the gorgeous box, because this thing is supposed to be gorgeous. Aha, and here it is. I hope you can see this. Let me go ahead and pull it out. All right, I'm actually gonna let you guys look at it first before I take a look. And there's a magnet. Apparently I'm not that strong. Yeah, there it is. All right, everything that you've probably seen previously in an unboxing video, I'm going to, oh, okay, so they have rebranded the whitener, I think, a little bit. It looks like there's some waves on there. Candid retainer, oh, sorry, aligner. All right, there's some holes in the back. I hope you can see this because I have not had anybody help me test the focus on this. All right, on the inside is information on their partnership with Smile Train. An aligner guide. All right. My favorite. So these are the little mouth openers or cheek wideners in case you need to take more pictures later on. Okay. And 3 more things. The first thing is how to use the whitener. Apparently a half of a pump of this will do you. The removal tool, which I am sure that I will probably need to use because I'm a mess, I'll admit it. Okay, and then some chewies. I'm gonna go ahead and rip these off, open. And these are the little guys, there's 2 in here that help you seat your aligners. That's over here. All right, so it looks like, okay, so like pretty much everybody else who has their box, it does go up to step 24. So I guess anybody who's got over 12 steps will have these 2 sets of dividers. It's probably easier for them with their packaging. But yep, I have 15 steps. All right, so here they are, my set of aligners. Number 1, I'm going to try to make a video every 2 weeks of when I put them in. So I'm going to go ahead and keep the bag. My name's on here, so cute. And here they are. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put these in. I apologize for any grunting or moaning or anything. I guess I'm going to start with the top. I do have the chewies, so once I get both sets in, I'm going to try to seat them a little bit better. Here goes nothing. Okay, waiting for the lisp, and there it is, sort of. The first thing that happened was it tried to hook my insides of my cheeks on the top right here, but I do have a significant amount of bite work that needs to happen, so I'm actually a little surprised at how much it's going back up to the top of my gum line, up underneath. So that just is something I'm gonna have to get used to. All right, here goes the bottom. All right, not bad. They definitely need to be seated a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my, put this in. It's so weird because as they go around, you can hear the cracking. It almost sounds like your teeth are breaking, but it's just the plastic, and the plastic isn't going to go anywhere, but it just really a strange sound. Okay. They're in, they just feel so strange. It just feels like a strange coating over the top of your teeth. They are moving a little bit when I bite down, and I'm not sure if when I bite down if they're supposed to widen, but they're plastic, so. All right, so the chewies, by the way, have this wonderful faint little minty taste to them. I can tell that the lisp actually isn't going to be too bad. The only thing that's really strange is that I just feel them hitting together when I speak, but also when I shut my mouth. So it almost feels like they're not on correctly, but apparently you're supposed to be using the chewies and chewing chewies multiple times per day. I think they say, I don't remember. I'm not even going to give you a quote because I know I'm going to be wrong. Anyway, so that's it. They are tight. Where I need the most movement is going to be on my bottom teeth in the front, and then I have some misaligned teeth at the top. So that's going to be definitely different. So I have a cat too. You have to excuse them. So I'm going to go ahead and make another video in 2 weeks, changing out to the next step. And I also have an app on my phone, which is called Trainminder. So I'm going to be using that as well. You're supposed to keep them in for 22 hours a day, which is good because I would like to lose a little bit of weight, and that would be helpful if I wasn't able to drink water, even though I don't really eat very much anyway. I'm actually on a ketogenic diet. You'll have to excuse my uhs. I'm on a ketogenic diet, and a lot of the things that I eat are not sugar, don't have sugar in them anyway. I mean, I don't really have any sugar at all. And so I think the water will be good. I drink, actually that's all I drink. I may drink maybe once a week. I'll drink a sugar-free drink, not a soda, but I'll drink like a vitamin water or something that doesn't have any sugar in it. So this will be pretty easy for me, but it'll be good because I don't want to take them out every time that I want to eat something or have a snack. So I think that this will definitely help my snacking. So without further ado, I'm going to try to take these off and put them back in. So I will take them off and then I'll end the video. But here we go. Supposedly you're supposed to take them from one side to the other. So we'll see. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, that is so disgusting. No problem, it sounded like it cracked. I'm really nervous about that, but. Okay, not bad at all. I might try to do them with my fingernails next time, but I'm a little bit nervous about that too. So anyway, that's it. So thanks guys, I really appreciate you hitting this journey with me. We've got about 8 months, so 15 steps. So I'll be back at a minimum of every 2 weeks to try a new set of trays, and also give you an update of where I'm at. I will definitely try to say less in my future videos, and I hope you have a wonderful 2 weeks.